Hello, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Udayit. I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about Informatica. It's an ETL tool. ETL means extraction, transformation, and loading. What pandas is doing, same thing. Informatica will also do. What Talend is doing, same thing. Informatica will also do. Okay. Today we will learn how companies like banks, okay, Amazon, and hospitals store and process huge amount of data, store and process huge data using Oracle database plus Informatica Power Center. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you about how companies like banks means HDFC, ICICI, Axis, SBI, Union, all banks, and e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, and all those things. Hospitals like so many hospitals store and process huge data using Oracle database and Informatica Power Center. Okay. Next, before Oracle and Informatica, what is the problems we are facing? See, in olden days, they are using Excel sheets. Due to Excel sheets, problem is what manual you have to do and slow and errors we will get. Okay, before Informatica and Oracle database. Next, file systems. Before Oracle and Informatica, file systems. Okay, no relationships will be there. File systems, just it is stored in files. No relationships are they are maintaining. Next, no centralized data. No centralized data. Okay. Example. What is an example for the above one? In this, suppose you have a banking system. You have an Axis Bank or HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. What customer data in one file? Okay. Transaction data in another file. Okay. No connection is happening. No connection is there. Okay, it creates confusion. Okay, and that not only that one, fraud risk is going to happen. Okay, in olden days, after Oracle and Informatica came into the market, they have given one solution, initially Oracle database. After Oracle came, what happens means it stores structured data. It stores structured data. It stores structured data. That means tables. Okay. Fast queries, and secure. Okay. After Informatica came, fast queries means due to indexing concept. Okay. After Informatica came, extract the data from Excel or database or from APIs. Extracting the data, transformation. The transformation is what? Missing, cleaning the data. Duplicates is there, remove. Filter you have to apply. Joins you have to apply. These are all nothing but transformations. Next, loading. Load into Oracle. See, initially, before Oracle database, data is stored in Excel sheets, file systems. Okay, they are using Excel sheets manually. Due to that, slow processing will happen, errors will come. File systems, no relationship is there, no centralized data. Customer data one file, transaction data, there is no connection between them. After Oracle came, then it stores structured data. That means tables, fast queries for indexing they are using, and then it is secure. Once Informatica came, what happened? Extraction, transformation, see, ETL, extraction, transformation, loading. Extracting the data from Excel or database or APIs, and transformation using clean, filter, join, and then load into the Oracle database. Okay, this it is a ETL layer. Okay, this is called ETL, extraction, extraction. Next, transformation. Next, loading. This is nothing but a ETL. Okay, this is nothing but a ETL. This is called Informatica. Informatica is a ETL layer. Okay, for example, I will tell you Amazon like systems. See, Amazon like systems. What happening is Amazon like systems. What happens in Amazon like systems? Orders from website. Orders from website. Next, orders from website. Next, customer data from where the customer data from application. Okay, payment from bank. See, three different layers it is doing. Payment from bank, orders from website, customer data from application. Okay, these things you have to keep in your mind. Next, Informatica, what it will do. Informatica, what it will do means it extracts all data, extracts all data and cleans duplicates and cleans duplicates and combines into a one format and combines into a one format. Okay, extraction, transformation, and then load into a one format. Okay, finally Oracle, what it will do after stores final clean data, stores final clean data. This is how the process is happening after using Oracle plus Informatica. Okay, this is a real time example where we used in e-commerce sites. Okay, next you can download Oracle. Go to, yesterday I already show you, right? You can download Oracle. See, Oracle downloads. Oracle downloads. See, go to this. Go to this one. Oracle database expression. You have to down Oracle database. See, this one. This one. Go here and then you can download Oracle database expression. Next what we need? We need Informatica PowerCenter. Sorry, yeah, Informatica is the licensed one. It's licensed one. But if you want Informatica, you have to pay the software money. Okay, that's why instead of Informatica in today's session, I am going to use Python, because Python pandas is also doing same thing whatever Informatica is doing. I will show you Talend also, how the code will be in Talend. That is also doing same thing, extraction, transformation, loading. Pandas is also doing extraction, transformation, loading. By using Python programming, I will write today, but I will show you in Informatica also. See, Informatica, what happens is, see, here, Informatica, we have to purchase the software. Okay, there is no free softwares are available for Informatica. But I want to tell you one thing. See, in installation process, we use repository service. We use repository service. Okay, integration service will be there in Informatica, and open repository manager, repository manager. Okay, and designer tool, and workflow manager, and workflow manager. Okay, see what we are doing. First, initial I will show you. Load customer data, load customer data into database, into database. How to load customer data? You have to create customer table. Create table Okay, customers. We have to create a customers table. Okay, ID, number, okay, name, varchar 2 of 50. Okay, next city, varchar 2 of 50, varchar 2 of 50. Okay, this you have to create a table. Okay, and then you can create a new table called customers. ID is the numeric column, name is the test, varchar type test, and up to 50 characters. City also same. Yeah, what we are going to do, we load this customer data into the database. Okay, SQL sent what? SQL sent to Oracle. SQL sent to Oracle. Okay, then Oracle checks syntax. Okay, table created in database. This is how the processing will happening. SQL means this is the query, SQL query. It sends to Oracle database. Oracle database checks syntax and then table created. Okay, internal flow, this is the table created successfully. After table created successfully, after that what happens? You can insert the data, right? You have to insert the data. How to insert the data? Insert into customers. Okay, values of 1 comma Ravi comma Hyderabad. Okay, like this you have to insert the values. Next, insert into means what? Adding data. Values go row by row. Again you have to insert into customer values 2 comma Uday comma Mumbai. Okay, here insert into is nothing but adding data. Okay, values, these values goes row by row. First record, this is Ravi Hyderabad. Second record 2 comma Uday comma Mumbai means first row, second row data will coming like that. Okay, what happens here? Query executed. See, internally what happens, you need to know, because it's very important. Query executed, data stored in memory, internal things also you need to understand. Query executed, data stored in memory, commit required, commit required, commit required. Query executed, data stored in memory, commit required. Okay, next, creating completed, inserting completed. Next, view the data. How to view the data? How to retrieve? Select star from customers. Select star from customers. Like this you have to view the data. Then 1 Ravi Hyderabad, 2 Uday Mumbai. Like that data is going to display. Okay, then what we need to do? Informatica how to do. Okay, Informatica how to do, you will see. Initially load data from Excel. Load data from Excel. Okay, Excel to Oracle. You need to load the data. Excel file to, first initially you have to load the data from Excel file to Oracle database. Okay, then what happened? First one, source. This is nothing but a source. Source means what? Excel file here, because from there only we are extracting the data, right? Then what happened in Excel file? This is the data. ID, name, city. This is the data. Okay, ID means 1, name means A, see, name means A, city means HID Hyderabad. Like this is the data that is there in Excel file. So Excel is nothing but a source. From source we are loading the data into Oracle database. Okay, this data we are loading into Oracle database. Okay, next, after source, next what we need to do in Informatica? Create mapping in Informatica. Create mapping in Informatica. How to do mapping in Informatica? We have components. We have components in mapping in Informatica. What are those components? Source. Source means what? In above, see, source means what? Excel. From Excel only we are taking the data, right? Source means Excel. We need to do mapping in Informatica, second step. For target also we need. Target means what? Oracle table. From loading from Excel file to source Excel file to Oracle database. So source is the Excel, target is the Oracle. Target is the Oracle. Next mapping. Mapping means connecting fields. Connecting fields. Okay. This is how you are going to map the data. See what happens means Excel to source definition, source definition, and then what, mapping to transformation, cleaning the data if any duplicates are there. Okay, mapping to transformation. And next target. Next target is nothing but what here, Oracle database. See, source Excel, mapping and doing cleaning and everything in transformation, and then target to the Oracle database. Like this the flow will be. See, transformation means what I will show you. Transformation means, mapping means just connection from source to target. In between the transformation I am doing. Transformation means add uppercase transformation. Add uppercase transformation. Uppercase transformation in the sense what? We have the data like uppercase transformation means all capital letters like that. That is nothing but a transformation. What we are doing here, extraction we are doing. From where we are reading, extraction means from source. Source is nothing but what here in above Excel. Okay, transformation. Transformation means what? Modify the data. Here we are modifying now smaller case to uppercase. That is nothing but a modify data. Next, loading means where we are loading, target where, Oracle database. So insert into Oracle. This is nothing but ETL. ETL we are doing in above. Okay, this is nothing but ETL. Okay, find then what is the output we are going to get. What is the output we are going to get? Whatever the data that is there in Excel, that is displayed here, but names AA should be in capital letter. That means 1 A, and then what, Hyderabad. Only names only we change it here. Add uppercase transformation only for names only. Okay, next like that. If you have second record here, 2 in source you have another record BBMUM, means here 2 what will come, capital BB. Only names only transformation is done. Names only we are doing transformation. Okay, this is how the output will become. Okay, this is how the Informatica processing is happening. By using Informatica we are doing transformation, extraction and loading. Okay, this is ETL layer. See, in banking daily what we are using, daily transactions ETL we are doing. Daily transactions, taking the data, transformations we are doing, cleaning, filtering, applying joins and everything, and then we are loading into the Oracle database or anything. Okay, and then fraud detection, to detect the frauds we are using Informatica. In healthcare where we use this thing, patient records integration. In that area we use this Informatica. Where in e-commerce where we used, sales dashboard we used. Okay, this is how we are using what, Informatica. So the Oracle plus Informatica. Because by using Oracle plus Informatica, we are getting fast output, automated way, and also scalable. Okay, these are the advantages of Informatica. See, imagine Amazon receives lakhs of orders daily. Yes or no? Amazon receives lakhs of orders from all over the world. Can we manage using Excel? Is it possible? Tell me, is it possible using Excel lakhs of records? It's very difficult. Yes or no? That's why we use Oracle to store and Informatica to process. Okay, that's why we are using for storing purpose Oracle, we are using for processing purpose, we are using Informatica. Okay, Amazon is the best example because daily lakhs of orders coming for Amazon. Okay, in Excel it is difficult. Okay, hard to maintain. That's why Oracle we are using for storing and Informatica is used for processing. Okay, next up. See, what happens if duplicate data comes? How to clean the data? Why automation needed? Okay, these all comes under transformation. Okay, and simple join queries, simple transformation filters. Okay, Oracle stores data. Oracle stores data. Informatica process data. Informatica process data. Okay, together they build together they build data pipelines. These pipelines and concept, everything I will tell you later. Okay, next sessions, not in demo sessions. Together they build data pipelines in real companies. Okay, this is how. Okay, next I want to tell you one more thing also. See, I want to tell you one more example. Every day bank gets data from where? Every day bank gets data from where? Where bank gets data from? Every day bank gets data from where? Where bank gets data? ATM machines. ATM machines bank getting data, right? Online banking. ATM machines, online banking. Okay. Next, branch systems. Sir, no. ATM machines, online banking, and branch system. Yes or no? We need to combine. We need to. We need to combine all data. Remove duplicates. Okay, detect fraud in database. Okay, you need to combine this ATM related data, online banking related data, branching system related data. From the branch also we are getting the data. Okay, so we need to combine all and remove duplicates, detect fraud is any fraud is there you can detect, and then store in database. See how here how it looks like means ATM file, CSV file. Next, online transactions. Online transactions. This is nothing but a Excel. This is nothing but a Excel. Okay. Online transactions is nothing but a Excel. Informatica ATM is a CSV file. Online transactions is equivalent to Excel file, and Informatica is nothing but what? ETL. Okay, and finally Oracle database. Equivalent to, and then finally reports are dashboards. Reports are dashboards we are showing to the client. Okay, this is how the process will be. Then what we need to do, we are going to create a customer table. See, without customer, how you are going to identify? So customer table you create, transaction table you need to create. Okay, customer ID has unique customer ID. For every customer only one account number will be there, right? And transaction has unique transaction ID. Okay, customer id link to the customer. See, transaction id also customer id need required. That customer id, this customer id is going to link. Okay, transaction type, transaction date, everything we will do. SQL sent, what happens here? SQL sent. Okay, oracle validates, and then tables created. SQL sent to Oracle, Oracle check syntax, and then table created. Okay, MSD data is going to insert into customer values and transaction table. Okay, data inserted, stored in memory, read for queries. See, then how to load the data? First, initially, my scenario is load ATM plus online data into Oracle. Okay. Step one, what we need to do? Open designer. Designer you have to open. Okay. Inside Informatica PowerCenter it is there. Okay. Go to start designer. It is there in Informatica software. Okay. Then source. Here what is the source? CSV file. ATM file is the source. ATM file means ATM CSV file. What are the things will be there? Source means ATM CSV file. ATM CSV file means what are the things will be there? Transaction ID, customer ID, amount, transaction type. Okay, deposit or withdraw or anything. Then go to Actions tab in inside Informatica software. Go to Source Analyzer. Source Analyzer. Go to Source Analyzer. Import this ATM flat file. Import flat file means CSV file. Okay, import flat file, that means select on file, you have to select flat file, that is nothing but a CSV file. What is that CSV file? This ATM CSV file you have to import in Actions tab. Okay, next, Informatica, what it will do, it reads this file structure. File structure it reads file structure, created columns created. Okay, next, okay, fine. First what we did, we created source. Okay, first we are opening the designer in Informatica, and then we can create a source in source analyzer inside Informatica. And then we are going to create the target means Oracle database. Okay, go to target designer. So how source designer will be there like that, target source analyzer will be there, target designer also there inside Informatica software. Go to target designer. Okay, import table, transactions, table you have to take, transactions table you have to take. Okay, next, see, for source and target, this is the source and this is the target. Some connection you need, right? That is nothing but a mapping. So you have to create mapping. These all things will be there inside the Informatica software. Okay, that is a pay, that is a licensed based. That's why in demo class I am not showing that one. I will show you once you paid the fees, because we need to buy that software. Okay, that's why I'm explaining step by step. Okay, create mapping, go to mapping designer. Okay, mapping name you have to give. Mapping name, what is the mapping name? M underscore load underscore transactions. We are doing, we are loading the transactions. Okay, that's why you have given mapping name like that. And then in mapping we have components. What are the components? Source means ATM file. Okay, transformation, means what it will do, what it consists of. Tell me, expression transformation. So many transformation is there, XML transformation, aggregation, everything will be there in transformation. I am selecting expression transformation. Next, target means Oracle table. Okay, target is Oracle one, no? Oracle table. Okay, next, step 5, transformation we need to do. Mapping the source we are taking, target we are taking, we are connecting between them, and then we are doing transformation. Sorry, transformation we are doing. Transformation is very important because transformation means, I will tell you an example. Detect high amount also sometimes leads to fraud rule only. Okay, high withdrawal also leads to fraud rule only. Okay, detect high amount. So that means if amount, you have to write the logic in transformation. If amount greater than 8,000, mark as high, mark as high. Okay, else normal, else normal, like that we have to write that. And then this is the logic, this is the logic. For this logic I am writing an expression, that is I am doing in transformation, expression transformation I am doing. What, how to write an expression transformation? IIF. By default automatically if you select expression transformation it will show you IIF. Okay, this code you need to write. Amount, the above logic, no, that logic you have to place here. Amount greater than 8,000, then high. Okay, then high. Okay, else normal, like that, else normal. Okay, this is the expression transformation we are doing. Okay, if means, IIF means if condition. If amount greater than 8,000 means high, else normal. Okay, what we are doing here, we are taking the source means ATM CSV file we are taking, and then we are doing transformation. Okay, extraction from ATM CSV file, and then transformation by using expression transformation, expression transformation. And then what we are doing, we are loading into the target table. Target table is nothing but what? Target table is nothing but what? Oracle table, Oracle database. Okay, Oracle, we are loading. This is how extraction transformation loading. Extraction means what? Reading CSV file. Reading file is nothing but a extraction. Transformation means applying logic. This logic we applied now, that here in expression transformation, that is nothing but a transformation. Loading means data is inserted into Oracle database. This is nothing but a ETL, extraction transformation loading. Okay, source we created, target we created, mapping between them, connection between them we created, and then we applying transformation also. Next, go to workflow manager. After that, go to workflow manager. Workflow manager you can go. Okay, here you can create workflows. See, you need to create workflow. Okay, flow you need to create, workflow you need to create. How you need to create workflow? WF underscore transactions, WF underscore transactions. Okay, next, create session. After that, session you need to create, and then link mapping, and then start workflow. After you start workflow, okay, then what happened behind the scenes, what happened here? Session runs mapping, session runs mapping, data flow row by row, data flow row by row, record by record, errors logged, errors logged. Internally it is happening like this. Okay, session runs mapping and data flow row by row and errors logged. See, workflow manager, create workflow. You have to create this workflow and then create session, and then link mapping between them, between the session and workflow. You can create mapping and then start workflow. Okay, this is how. If you have Informatica software, these are all steps we need to do one by one. Whatever the steps I am explaining to you, those are all things we have to do inside Informatica software. Next, select star from transactions. Select star from transactions. Okay, select star from transactions. Okay, after that, what happens? What are the transactions data that is there in the transactions table? Inserted data, the data is going to display here. Okay, this is the best use case. Okay, in banking where we use fraud detection purpose we are using, daily transaction loading purpose we are using, in e-commerce orders processing purpose we are using, in healthcare patients data merging purpose we are using. Okay, see, in old methods by using Excel it is very slow. By using Oracle plus Informatica speed is very fast. Okay, automation wise also manually we have to do in old methods, but here automatic way, and accuracy also perfectly maintained in Informatica. See, for example, bank receives 1 lakh transaction daily. Can we manually process? It's possible? No, right? So we use tools like Informatica. We use tools like Informatica. See, bank only this much data. So on telecom, see, British Telecom is there. Daily, some petabytes of data daily they are going to receive. Is it possible manually in Excel? No, no. That's why we are using tools like Informatica. We are extracting that file and then we are processing that file and then we are loading into the target. Okay, database. That's why this is the advantage. I will show you another transformation also. Select C dot name join transformation I am using. C dot name comma T dot amount. C means customer, T means transaction table. Okay, two tables I am joining. Customer C. Okay, join transaction T, transactions T. Okay, customer in customer table name I am taking C dot name. In transaction table amount I am taking from customer C. C means alias. Okay, it's like a reference in Java. Transactions T. On C dot in customer also customer ID is there. In transaction also customer ID will be there. So based on that column we are taking join. Okay, T dot custom underscore ID. Okay, then in both customer table and transaction table, customer ID is the common thing. That's why we are taking that one and then we are joining. And then what we need to get, we get the name and amount. Okay, name Ravi, amount 10,000. Okay, next Priya, next 2000. Okay, yesterday I showed you this example in Power BI also. If you want means you can go on through, you go on through that video also, and Oracle PL SQL video also I placed it in my YouTube channel. Okay, Oracle is nothing but a storage purpose. Informatica is nothing but a processing purpose. Both together we are using for data pipeline. Okay, is Informatica free software? No, it's not. It's a commercial version. That means used in companies and it requires paid license. Very expensive. Informatica software is whatever the steps above we are above I am explaining these all steps, right? These all things we have to do inside Informatica software. See, Informatica software is not free, not free. Paid version, paid version. Okay, used in companies. Okay, it requires license, very expensive, lakhs per year, lakhs per year. Okay, free options is there, but 30 days trial only there, 30 days trial only there. 30 days only we have to use. Within 30 days we have to use, but no installation required. It runs in browser. Okay, Informatica cloud, Informatica cloud, but the problem is you need to have working email ID you required. See, Informatica cloud I will show you. Informatica cloud, Informatica cloud, IICS. See, Informatica cloud. See, problem here is I will show Informatica free trial. I will show you, then you will understand. Informatica cloud. Okay, I will show you. See, on this one, this one. Informatica community is there, na? MDM is the master data management. I will tell you. Okay, that will another concept. Okay, I want to teach you Informatica free trial. I want to try free trial. cloud data integration, 30 days trial only it is going to give. See, 30 days trial it is going to give, and it is asking the credentials. See, working email it is going to ask. Then you need to create working email. Okay, in Microsoft Dynamics, in Microsoft, see, then you need to create a working email. You have to create the Microsoft 365. There, you have to create this working email. Okay, then 30 days only it will work. After that, it won't work. Okay, that is the problem in Informatica. That's why I am writing the code in Python. I will show you by using pandas framework. Okay, by using pandas. Okay, just now I am showing that code, but in Informatica, this is the process. This is the code. Source we are taking, and then target we are taking, and then character mapping we are taking, and then workflow we are taking, transformations we are doing, and then workflow we are doing, and then finally create session, link mapping between workflow and session, and start workflow. This is the procedure that we are doing inside Informatica software. Okay, inside this software we are doing these things. Okay, this is the Informatica software. But if you want Informatica software, see, then you have to pay lakhs of rupees, but 30 days it's free. 30 days, see, what you can do here, just a connection you are doing from Excel file to source to target, you are doing mappings. Okay, and then we are applying some transformations. Okay, sometimes what happens means it will available through training instance, limited features. Okay, good for learning basis. Okay, trial versions means limited time usage only. Okay, setup is complex but requires high system configuration. Company use paid Informatica, but for learning we use trial or cloud versions also. Okay, Informatica intelligence is also free ETL trial. Okay, Oracle database expression. See, instead of Informatica you can use one more software is there, Talend. Talend is one more technology. Same whatever Informatica is doing, same Talend is also doing. Talend is a, these ETL layer softwares are very costly, very expensive. Okay, instead of Informatica you can use Talend. Right now companies are using this Talend tool. Why means it is a free software. See, try for free, you can click this one and then you can install. Okay, it is similar to Informatica, similar to Informatica. Next, here Pentaho integration will be there. Pentaho data integration, free community edition, widely used. Okay, Pentaho also you can use it. It is also similar to Informatica only. Talent is similar to Informatica. Pentaho is similar to, see, Pentaho. Pentaho also similar to Informatica only. These are all intelligence tools, business intelligence tools only. These are all. Okay, it is also extraction transformation loading only. Okay, free community edition. It is also widely you can use. Okay, Talent also. Next, pandas. See, Python used pandas for ETL. In Python, we use pandas for extraction, transformation, loading, whatever Informatica is doing, whatever Talent is doing, whatever Pentaho is doing, same thing in Python, pandas is doing extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay, these three things is doing by using pandas. Okay, Informatica is a paid tool used in companies, but we can learn same concept using free tools like Python, pandas, and Python and Talent and Pentaho. Okay, the same process whatever I show you now, same process we used in Pentaho, Talent, and Python. In Python we are writing pandas code. In Python we are writing pandas code. I will show you how to write a code in Python. See, how to write a code in Python, I will show you how to write a code in Python. I will show you. Okay, I will just 1 minute. This is how you are going to write a code in Python. Extraction, that means reading data from file. Which file? ATM underscore data dot CSV. So PD pandas, PD means pandas, as PD means pandas we are calling as PD. So PD dot pandas dot read CSV file. That means we are extracting ATM underscore data dot CSV file. What that ATM underscore data dot CSV file consists of? Open this CSV file. Transaction ID, customer ID, amount, transaction type. Okay, this what we are doing, we are extracting. That means we are reading the source file. This is nothing but a extraction. Extraction. Next, print original data, print data. Okay, that's transformation we are doing. What transformation we are doing? We are applying some logic. We are applying some transformation. Okay, we are applying some condition. We are applying some condition. What condition I am applying? High if x greater than 8,000, else normal. This is the condition. This is the transformation I am doing here. Here I am applying some lambda condition. I am applying some lambda expression. Okay, this is nothing but expression transformation in Informatica. Here also, this is nothing but a transformation. Okay, after transformation, we are doing loading the data into target file, their Oracle database. Here, underscore CSV. I am giving one CSV file. After we run this code, it will store in data in here. Okay, output say data saved to output file. Okay, you see initially I have only ATM underscore data.csv. I have this code file. There is no output target file. After run this code, what happens? See, after I run this code, what happens? We will see. The original data is this thing. ATM underscore CSV data file. Transformation logic I applied. What logic I applied? Greater than 8,000 means high. So greater than 8,000 these two are. So these two becomes, what is the fraud flag for these two? High. What is the fraud flag for less else normal? So this is treated as normal. Data saved to output file. Okay, we will go and see. See, this is the output file. Out underscore transaction. Same. See, normal, high. This is the output. Okay. See, what happens means, even though sometimes large transactions if you do also problem. Okay, large withdrawals also you can do also problem. Okay, security reasons they are doing. Okay, see, before going to run this code, in Python, pandas, before going to run pandas code in Python, you have to go to command prompt and then you have to run pip space install space pandas. Pip space install space pandas. This I already installed, that's why it is running. For your sake, I am showing. Okay, requirement already satisfied means it is already installed. Okay, next, and this is the thing we did. Okay, next, so what is happening here? What we are doing here? Same thing, extracting, transformation, and loading whatever we are doing in inside Informatica, inside Talent, inside Pentaho, and inside Pandas. Okay, CSV file we are taking ATM underscore data.csv, and then what we are taking, Python code we are writing by using Pandas. Okay, data frame. Okay, Pandas. Next, pandas framework. Next, transformation we are doing. Next, transformation logic. I am writing some logic, right? Greater than 8,000 means high, else normal, like that. Next, finally, target file. Target file there. Here, output file or database. Output file or database. Same logic we did in Informatica also. Okay, they see the same logic where we used in banks for detecting the frauds. In Amazon, where we used this one, high value orders sake we are used. Okay, orders are coming in huge amount of, no. In that cases we are using in e-commerce like Amazon and Flipkart. Where in insurance we are using these things for filtering the claims. For filtering the claims purpose in insurance companies they are using this thing. Claim filtering purpose. Okay, Informatica is enterprise. Cloud is trial version. Python is free. Okay, that's why I'm using Python to show you. Whether we use Informatica, Talend, or Pentaho, or Python, ETL flow is always same. Only interface only changing. Here Python, there Informatica, there Talend, there Pentaho. See, this is the Pentaho, this is the Talend, this is the Informatica, this is the Informatica. Same process. Okay, okay. Next, but Python is fully controlled. You have to write the program and you have Talent is GUI based. GUI based means yesterday I show you Power BI. Go to Power BI video, then you can see. Power BI video is available in my YouTube channel. Okay, Informatica is industry too. Okay, this is how the things are going on. Okay, large deposits means what happened? Suspicious money laundering risk will happen. See, if you are credited 3 crore amount of money in your bank account, then what happens? It becomes some suspicious, right? Money laundering risk will happen. See, money laundering risk will happen for large deposits. For large deposits. Okay. Large withdrawals means what you think? Large deposits problem, withdrawals also problem. What is the problem? It is also suspicious one. How? Some fraud or theft, theft risk. Some fraud or theft risk. Okay, both thresholds, but thresholds are but thresholds are usually different. Usually, but thresholds are usually different. See, same thing but different conditions, different criteria, both are suspicious. Large amount of money if you are deposit in your account, it becomes a suspicious one. Large withdrawal also suspicious one. Large deposit means money laundering, this will happen. Large withdrawals means any fraud is going to happen, or from your account any theft is happening, like that. Okay, next, see, logic wise, this is the logic. Yes or no? I will show you what I will show you. No need to worry at all. See, this thing I already explained. Logic wise, this is the logic. If transaction type is equal to the amount greater than 10,000 means high. Else, amount greater than 5,000 means high. Else, normal. For this, I write a code like this. See, this code I need to run. This code I want to run. Okay. No need to worry at all. I will show you. I want to run and I want to show you. See, I want to run and I want to show you. See, name data is not defined. Name data is not defined. So we have to define the data. Name data is not defined. Okay, I will show you. Name data is not defined. Okay, then where is this code? Okay, then I want to run this code. Where is this code? So run it on plus one. Okay, name data is not defined. We'll try. No such file that yours file.csv is not available. Okay. ATM underscore data dot csv. ATM underscore data dot csv. See. It's not there. Okay. Now you can use the variable. Then you have to go and enter home. Then do this. And then where? See. See. This is the trans data we are not defining, right? Previously, that's why I am defining data is equal to data frame. Transaction type deposit withdraw amount. This is the amount. So right now, if you run this code, what happens? You will see. See, transaction type deposit amount 1500, 15,000. 15,000 means high. Greater than 8,000 means high. I think that is the code we written here. See. Transaction type is equal to deposit and row amount greater than 10,000, then high. For withdraw greater than 5,000 only high. Okay. For deposit greater than 10,000 only high. Okay, in that case, then we will see deposit greater than 10,000, so high. Deposit greater than 10,000, false, so normal. Withdraw greater than 5,000 means high. So 2,000 normal, greater than 5,000 no, then high, correct. This is the code. Okay. What we are doing is here previous error is nothing but data we are not defining there. Okay. We are not defining data here. Data of data dot apply, like that we are writing, right? That data I am defining here. Data is equal to pd dot data frame of transaction types and their amounts. Okay. Okay, these things you are doing. Okay, at the end of the session I will share you this records also. Okay, see, see, I will share you everything, no need to worry at all. Okay, see here, this is the code we have written in Informatica. Same code whatever we written in Python. This is the expression transformation we are writing in Informatica. And this is the expression transformation we are writing in Talend tool. Talend tool. Okay. And this is the input and this is the output. Okay. This is the entire topic we discussed up to now. Okay. Okay, okay, guys. This is the these are the things that you need to understand. See, this is the extraction, this is the transformation, this is the loading we are doing in Python by using pandas framework. This is the see, same thing we are doing expression transformation we are applying here. Okay, we are extracting and then we are saving the file. Okay, next here we are applying that, we are applying the condition. Okay, next what I want to tell you is see, so many things are there. This is just a normal basic. In tomorrow session I am going to show you entire Informatica software. Okay, I will buy, my friend will have that software. I will take the software from him because he is working in Informatica company itself. He is working in Informatica. That's why he has the software. I will get the software from him. Otherwise, I will get his personal laptop and I will show you. Okay, no need to worry at all. And my website is see, my website name is udayit dot great hyphen site dot net is my website. Okay, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. I will show you. Okay, if you want tomorrow's class, then you have to pay the fees. That's why I'm telling these things. Okay, at the rate of the IT Tech Academy. Okay, this is my phone number. If you have any doubts, you can call me, ask me, chat me. Okay, at any time, no need. Okay, next I want to show you this thing. Udayit.great-site.net. So go here. This is my website udayit.great-site.net. Okay, here sign up. You can create full name, you can give email address, your password, you can create an account. After that, you can log in here or log in here using username and password, and then you can log in. Otherwise, go to home page, go and search Informatica. Okay. See, right now this is the summer season. For students' sake, I am decreasing amount 20,000 to 12,000. Okay, after summer, this price is going to increase. Okay, right now you see enroll now. After enrolling means whatever you created sign up, right? There you get login credentials, right? That you need to fill here in enroll and then go inside, bank details will be there, you can go and pay the fees. Okay, and one more thing is, before going to pay the fees, if you have any doubts, you can call to this number. This is my mobile number and this is my email id. Okay, if you want to see, these many courses are there: Pega, BTM, Salesforce, Agentic AI, Artificial Intelligence, AWS, Cyber Security, ethical data science, data structures, DevOps, ethical hacking, generative AI, Kubernetes, machine learning, stack, networking, Python, full stack, .NET or advanced Java, AI, prompt engineering, Android development, Apache Spark, Azure Big Data, C programming, C++ program, campus recruitment training, Camunda, CCIE, CCNP, Core, Java, deep learning, Docker, embedded systems, Golang, Hibernate, Informatica, Informatica, Okay, next iOS Kotlin. Okay, Linux it will mean MongoDB, MySQL, Oracle SQL, PHP, Power BI, ClickView, Scala programming. Okay, these many softwares are, these many coachings are, these many courses are there right now in my online trainings. Okay, what are the course you want, you can refer to your friends also if they are interested in any type of coaching. You can, they can see my, see, they want, they need see, initially if they want means you can tell them, you go to youtube.com, Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Go here, see, these many demo videos are there. If they want these videos, if they want agentic AI course video, means then you have the three videos are there. Ask them to see that videos. Java means they ask them to see, Python means they ask them to see. Okay, any course. Okay, Django, Python full stack. Okay, ask them to see. CRT, soft skills, aptitude, verbal. Okay, ask them to see. Main stack, okay, React, Express, MongoDB. Okay, AngularJS, everything will comes in main stack. React, MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js comes in there. Okay, ethical hacking, cyber security. Okay, and then AWS tutorial, embedded systems, data science, Camunda, Power BI, Oracle, PHP, Pega BPM. Okay, right now Informatica, these many demo videos are there. Ask them to see if they are interested in these courses, ask them to join. Otherwise, in my website, so many courses are there. Which course they want, they can choose, and then they can call me, then I can arrange a demo session for them. Okay, no need to worry at all. Okay guys, thank you guys, it was nice meeting to all of you. Okay, it was a nice meeting to all of you. Okay, if you still have any doubts, okay, if you still have any doubts, ask me, ping me, and chat with me. Okay, I can clarify your doubts at any time. No need to worry at all. Every day at the end of the class, I will share you entire document whatever we discussed in the session. Okay, okay. See, without practicals, if you went to IT industry, you will face a lot of struggles. Okay, they keep this point in your mind because without practicals, it's very difficult to survive in the industry. Right now, it is very difficult. Okay, I will help you in all the ways. Okay, I will make you to survive in the industry, IT industry, okay, without any strain, because end to end I am going to teach for you. Okay, okay, guys, thank you, guys. Okay, it was a nice meeting to all of you. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. Bye bye.